Why do beginners and small business owners struggle to launch their websites profitably? For many, it's not just about a lack of tech skills. It's the overwhelming stress of learning code, hiring expensive developers, and dealing with endless hosting and design. The real problem? It's not what you think. Traditional tools still require manual setup, technical knowledge, and costly plugins. This leaves many stuck or dependent on others. It delays launches, drains time and money, and blocks them from creating websites that actually make money. Most common solutions fail because they don't address this root cause. They can even make the problem worse. But there's a better way. Imagine an AI that turns simple prompts into live, fully functional websites. Meet Kleva AI, your AI super engineer. It automatically codes, designs, writes content, hosts, and deploys digital assets in seconds. Mike M. said, "Kleva AI was the first time I didn't feel lost. No setup, no headaches." Art F. built his first website by just talking to it. He said what he wanted, and it did everything in seconds with zero code. With Kleva AI, launching is simple and fast. No more tech headaches or waiting. Imagine creating your online business instantly, feeling proud and accomplished. You'll finally have the freedom to focus on what you love, growing your business. Click below to discover how we achieve profitable website launches effortlessly with Kleva AI.